take a look at this classroom. It's not just another glorified babysitting service. How do you get your toddler, though, ready for school? Preschool may be the answer, but how do you choose where to send your child?
If education is one of your priorities, our next guest may have an option for you. So here to talk about a new and very unique child preschool education center in Mequon are Alex Mazur and Rixanne Lefko from Kids Rule Academy. Thanks for being here, you guys.
Hi, guys.
I think it's cool to know, Alex, you were a mortgage banker. Why in the world would you leave that and open up a daycare center?
Actually, I still am a mortgage banker.
You still are?
So you can consider this as my extracurricular activity after work.
How do they fit together? What prompted you to do this?
You're absolutely right. The project didn't just come to me overnight. This was a long project, and I thought about this project for quite a few years. I have a wonderful daughter who just turned 6 last month, and she was introduced to daycare when she was about 15 months old. And my wife works for a large corporation, so her daytime is very limited. So I took care of pretty much of all of my daughter's daily activities. And she went to daycare, and a few months into it, I realized that I wasn't very happy with the kind of care she was getting. We changed daycares, and I thought perhaps maybe if we pay a little more, we can get a better care. And I was disappointed again. And so I thought maybe I was too demanding of a father. And I started talking to my friends with children of similar ages, and came to find out that the situation out there with daycares is really kind of poor. And so this idea came to mind to put together an education center for children from a father's point of view. I've put this business together to kind of tell people this is what parents really want. And that's exactly how this idea originated.
Well, and you say education, a lot of people are going to say in a preschool or a daycare, say you have 6-month-olds or you have 12-month-olds, what can you actually teach a child that young?
And I'm glad you're asking this question. It comes up a lot, and pretty much every parent would ask us the same thing. When my daughter Alexa was introduced again to a daycare, she was about 12 months old, and when I was on a tour, I kept asking the nice lady, so what do you teach? Tell me more. And she kept saying shapes and colors and more shapes and colors. And when she was tired of me, she just turned to me and said, well, Alex, what can you really teach a 12 months old? And I kind of felt sorry at that point. So what we do is we take it to the next level. We not only we have caring teachers and caregivers, but we brought in a special educator. We brought in a Methodist, so to speak. And her job is to work with every child personally, on a personal basis, every day. She does a little bit of foot massage, a little bit of back massage, stretching exercises. She does eye and color coordination exercises with young children. All she does is she keeps on stimulating child's brain activity, which is very important. The stimulation of brain activity will create those filing cabinets in your child's brain for future information. Those filing cabinets will stay completely empty until they're ready to start receiving information. And then they will start processing this information. And the more filing cabinets they will have, the better they're going to prepare themselves for future information, receiving information, processing, and storing that information into the right folder, instead of rejecting that information. Have you ever heard of somebody say, well, I'm just not good at math, or I'm just not good at chemistry, or I'm just not good at physics? Well, what does it really mean? That means somewhere in their early childhood, they were introduced to that. However, they didn't have a proper filing cabinet to file that information in, so they just rejected it.
I think I love the passion. I think that's what so many people are going to get from everything you said, the passion, and obviously that there is more than shapes or colors or things that kids can do. For Rixanne, for you as the director, when you look at people who are caregivers, what kind of qualifications are you looking at for people? And I hear you guys are filling up quickly too, so people kind of need to, they're interested, there's not a lot of space.
Right. Well, I personally have over 30 years of experience, and I have my credentials in administration. Our teachers are certified. They have bachelor's degrees. Some have master's degrees. Our assistant teachers are certified in early childhood. When we interview, we do an extensive interview because we're looking for teachers who are loving and nurturing and enthusiastic and have a way of loving these children.
And that they probably believe in the education component, even with very young children.
Right, absolutely, absolutely.
And do you feel that it's affordable? Because obviously you've done comparisons in Kids Rule versus other preschools.
Yes, we are considerably lower than a lot of people in a lot of daycares in our area.
Your area.
The most of the daycares in the area, our tuition prices are much lower.
That's great. Right now, we ran out of time, but I want to make sure everybody knows about the special you have, because right now you're giving a free iPad to parents who sign their child up for full-time program. The offer is good only, though, until the end of March, till March 31st. So you do have to call or email. Here's the information for how you can contact Kids Rule Academy and learn more about what they do. 262-242-5500, kidsruleacademy.com, or email directly at info@kidsruleacademy.com. And again,
A free
remember,
iPad.
free iPad until the end of March.
You sign
So,
up for a full-time program. That's
Awesome.
awesome.
Well, because we have cameras in every classroom, so we want parents to
to be able to watch.
to be able to look at their kids every day they go home. When they drop off their little ones, they're going
That's
to look.
incredible.
They're
You
going
can
to
be
come
at
home
work and visit them.
Absolutely,
Oh, I love
absolutely,
that.
especially
it.
for little kids.
Yeah.
Nice to have both
Thanks
of
so
you.
much, you
Thank
guys.
you for
Sounds
having
like a
us.
Thank you for having
wonderful
us.
place.
Thank you for
Appreciate
having
it.
us.
Still ahead, tax savings